So how to make a paid video on YouTube channel. So here is the way. Now your YouTube channel have completed all the criteria, just like you have completed your 500 plus subscriber and 3000 watching hours. Then after that you can make your YouTube video paid, and you can by creating levels. Okay, once you create, just like here you can see on the screen, I have completed 3000 plus watching hour, and subscriber criteria also I completed, just like I have completed near about 1000 plus subscriber I have, but the criteria is just like 5000 plus and 3000 watching hour. After that these features are activated, right? The process is there, just like you can activate the membership and you can activate the supers. After activating this, you will see you are YouTube partner. Okay, means if you click on the membership, I have completed the process. I will show you how the interface and dashboard will see after activating membership, and how to make the all video paid. Okay, so here right now estimated revenue is 0, because just one day ago my membership I have activated, and now I am going to activate the paid feature on videos, because whenever the viewer will search your video, or whenever it comes in search and anyone is try to play your video, that time it will show to join the channel by paying some amount, or though I will show you. I have created these levels. According to level creation, you will get the amount paid. Just like click on the levels, I have created these all the levels and perks. Okay, this is, you can see here, this is the silver, this is the gold, and this is the one of the playlists. You can forward software. You can create software wise perk means level also, and you can create mostly you can see this is the standard way as I got from YouTube videos, just like this silver, gold and diamond, right? Just like if I edit the silver, you can see in silver there is a loyalty badges, emoji, early access to new video and member only shorts. It means if someone buys join my YouTube channel by using silver level, so he or she have to pay 159 rupees. Okay, and in that service he will that somebody get loyalty badges, emojis means he can post emoji, he can share emojis, and loyalty badges means uh, loyalty badges means it is one type of badge which shows on our subscribers logo. Okay, whenever he comments or whenever he communicate, so this one loyalty badge, one type of symbol will show on that subscriber. It is meant only. Okay, early access to new videos means whatever the videos I put which are new, so he will get access of that videos. Okay, and members only shorts, he can also access the shorts also. Now I will show you the second gold member gold perk, means second level, second paid service, that is gold. In gold service, what things the subscriber will get, um, the members who have buy this gold service, which is 599 price, in that he will get, I have customized this Creo wire harness 3D routing all videos. I have customized this one. It means he or she will get the videos I have added in gold. Just like I am going to add the video which are more than 30 minutes, or the video which are not mostly available on YouTube, so I will add into this software, Creo software. Okay, so whenever viewer play this video, it will hit, just like we have to join the channel by using this gold level, so you have to buy that one for a month, like that. Okay, and the next one is this Zuken, means this level, this is the customized level I have created. Okay, now I will show you how to add the video in these services, right? So that the we will get revenue. Okay, so now I will show you. Now just simply go to the channel, this is my channel. Okay, and you can see here these are my videos. Okay, so just right now I have put or I have added this video, zip tie tape this first one video into the uh, membership. After adding in membership, you will see this type of star, green star over there, and member first, you will see this one. Okay, so you can see here. Yeah, I also added this super thanks also. So I will also explain you what is super thanks. Super thanks means if any user or any subscriber or any paid user like the video too most and he want to thankful, and in the form of thankful he want to pay some money, so he can pay the money in the thanks. Just like you can, if I am click on the thanks, you can see rupee 40 is showing here. If user, any paid user or any subscriber want to pay 100 rupees, he can pay 100, 200 and more also. Minimum is 40 rupees. Okay, just have to click on buy and send, like that. Okay, means any subscriber is very happy to us and he want to pay some money, so that in that case he can use this thanks feature, because after completing criteria these two features are activated, super thanks and membership. So super thanks I have shown you how to use that one in YouTube. Okay, now the next is how to add the videos in the membership. So you can, I also show you after adding the video in the members. So you can see this green tick mark, and also first of all I want to show you I have other channel. I want to switch over the other channel because I want to show you how it will look like. So if you search CAD Master on the YouTube here, and after that, so here you will get this my channel, this one. So simply click on the channel and I will show you which video was that. In the video, yeah, this video. So you will see, if you click on this video, what it is showing here: join this channel to get access to the member only content like this video and other exclusive perks. It means it is showing here, if any other subscriber is searching this video and try to play it, it won't play till this till he or she can buy the my service paid videos. Just like here you will see silver is there, after that gold is there, this customized playlist also there, and diamond is also there. Okay, so for diamond I have set the price 1999. So if the subscriber or user click on join, that time he or she have to pay this much money. Okay, so payment method will start here. Once he paid this subscribe or get paid membership, only after that he can access that video. Okay, now I will show you how to activate this in your channel. Okay, now I am switching to my channel, which is CAD Master. So okay, in your video, now this is my channel, so I will show you one of the my video. Just like I want to add this one video. Okay, I complete 3000 watching hour. So this is the short actually, and I want to add. So you have to go into the YouTube studio first. After going in YouTube studio, make sure, yeah, this CAD Master is active channel, and now I will go to click on content, means which video you want to activate. Simply click on that video, just like where are my all videos? Okay, yeah, here is all my videos. So yeah, now the which video I want to add right now, I am selecting. Yeah, so for this video, dimension and note in creo parametric, which is near about 25 minutes, right? So I want to add into diamond. So how to add in diamond? So simply click on that video, and I will simply click on edit. After that, simply click on the visibility, then you will see member only. Click on member only. After that, all channel member, click on drop down. Now I want to add into diamond, so simply click on diamond and higher, right? So after doing that one, in the schedule, okay, in the schedule you have to click on from members to public. If you want to switch after 1 year from member to public, right now it is paid, but after 1 year you want to make it public, means free, so you can activate that one also, and you can select the date, okay, like that. But right now, yeah, where it is, in the visibility, so I will enter just like from 2027 it will be free. Okay, right now it is a paid service. Okay, so I will just go back and now simply click on the save. Now this setting has been saved on this video and activated. Just like I want to cross check, so go to, right now I am in my self channel, so I want to go to YouTube, and I want to switch to other channel so that I can see whether that change applied or not. Switch to other channel, so I will go to other channel and I will cross check CAD master. Now on this channel, in the video I just made this which one video, yeah, this video. Now you can see I have this dimension and note in Creo. This video I just activated for paid membership. Okay, so here the green in the green background star is also created, and it is also showing members first. See, if I am going to play this video, so it won't play for me, right? Because this is paid video I am seeing from other channel, right? Just assume if any other user is try to play this video, so this interface will show there. Okay, and how many video is also showing there, just like in silver, this two video added here. Okay, video available from this level now, and also you can take from this diamond also. Okay, so this playlist I have made, and you can make all the video paid on YouTube. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel. If you are from mechanical or electrical background, so for design purpose my channel is very best to you for guiding in design field, so kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.